Indonesian President Joko Widodo, along with provincial leaders and cabinet ministers, gathered in East Kalimantan for a symbolic ceremony to bless the development of their nation's new capital, Nusantara. Yes, Indonesia is building a new capital city, Nusantara, which is a Javanese word for archipelago. But why does Indonesia need a new capital? Well, Jakarta faces a lot of problems today. The ever-increasing population, the never-ending traffic jams, worsening pollution are some of the issues normally attributed to the most modern cities. But the most severe of them that Jakarta faces today is by water. The city is sinking and at the same time is dealing with rising sea levels. 13 rivers flow through the city, which has been the source of fresh water, but now they are super polluted. Underground pipelines only cover a little over half of the city, while the remaining population is dependent on wells, pumping the fresh water from the ground. So, as more and more water is removed from under the ground, the soil above sinks. And the problem has only worsened with the construction of heavy steel and concrete structures to house more and more people and to have more and more office spaces. To relieve Jakarta of some of the burden, Nusantara is being developed on the Indonesian side of the island of Borneo in East Kalimantan province, which is a strategic and central location close to the urban centers of Samarinda and Balikpapan. On January 18, 2022, Indonesia's parliament passed the bill and the government is planning the earliest relocation by 2024. Thank you for watching the video. Please do share, like, and subscribe to the channel.